Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Guys, today's video is a very exciting one for me because we have a new baby in the house, in the kitchen actually, because it's going to be staying in the kitchen. Okay, so I got something very exciting in front of me right now, which I can't wait to show you guys. I can't also wait to use this for the very first time, and I'm going to be using it for the first time with you guys. We are going to be unboxing and using it on camera today. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready. I hope you're ready to see what I have in front of me. Like, this is something I've been wanting to own to myself. So guys, drum roll please. Are you ready to see this? Are you excited for me on my behalf? Okay, so with me here is an air fryer. You don't understand how happy this makes me feel. I mean, there are a lot of things that makes me feel happy, but this one, this is an addition. Okay. So this company contacted me and they were like, can you review our product for us? I was like, why not? Is that not why we are here? This is something I've been wanting to own, but I don't have enough kitchen counter space to keep this, because I want something that if I buy it, I can be able to place it somewhere in this kitchen and not having to, you know, always carry it back and forth. When I want to use it, I bring it out, and then after using it, I put it back. No, I didn't want something like that. I just wanted something that can sit at a place on the countertop here, just like the microwave is sitting at my back over there. But truly, I needed it. I wanted it for myself, because sometimes we can't always make use of our ovens. It always comes in handy, I must say. I've seen a lot of people use this air fryer, and they have been testifying of how good it is, how handy it comes. Like, I was like, I need to get this, but like I already said, I wasn't able to get it. But when this company contacted me, I was like, okay, since it's a free product, I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? I don't have to buy it with my own money. I don't mind carrying it back and forth, you know, just bring it out. After using it, I'll put it back again. So I quickly accepted the offer, and here we are today. Like, you guys, this is amazing. So we are going to be unboxing this. First of all, let me take off the nylon, and then we are going to go ahead to use it and see how it works. Okay, I believe it's a very nice product. I don't think they will send me trash. So in as much as this is a free product, I'm not going to come here and start lying to you guys and tell you it is good when it is not. No, I'm going to give you guys my honest review of this air fryer. So this is what this side looks like, and this is what this side looks like. All right, so we are going to be frying this in this air fryer. This is yam, by the way, African yam. Many of you know this, right? And some people don't know what this thing is actually. So we are going to be frying this in this air fryer. I've not seen anybody fry this type of yam in the air fryer. I'm going to be the first person today, okay? And see how it goes. I've seen a lot of people use potatoes, like sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, chicken, turkey, so many other different things they fry in their air fryers. But this is what I'm going to be using.
Alright guys, so before we get to see and know what's inside the box, I'd like to first of all say a very massive thank you to COSORI for sending this product to me. I truly appreciate it. Now over here we've got the crisper plate containing 4 rubber stoppers made of safe FDA approved material. Also, it's a non-stick aluminum metal. Inside the envelope we've got their thank you and the warranty card. And here is the user manual. This comes in really handy for when you get a new product. You need to make use of the manual to get familiar with your new product. And this is their recipe book containing over 100 recipes, you guys. Like, I can't even wait to make use of the recipe book and, you know, probably try out one, at least one. Now here is the air fryer itself. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the COSORI Pro LE 4.7 liter air fryer. It uses rapid 360 degrees air circulation technology to cook with little to no oil for quick, crispy and delicious foods with up to 85% fewer calories than deep fryers, with user-friendly one-touch controls and a non-stick basket and an intuitive safe design. At the back here we've got the air outlet and the spacer, and here is the bottom. So now I'm just going to take off the sticker, and you guys, this looks absolutely beautiful. Like, I love what I'm seeing already. You can see me dancing and this is what the control screen looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see that. So I'm just going to move it over to where the microwave is. I'm going to shift the microwave and place it over there. At least you are going to be using this place to demonstrate. For now, I'm still going to be taking it away, but let's make use of this place for now. So here is the air fryer. I'm just going to take off the remaining stickers and show you what the basket looks like. So you press down the button and take off the basket, and this is the basket. It's a non-stick aluminum metal as well. And here is the control button. Just press it down and pull out the basket from the air fryer. Now before you use this, you need to wash it, and that is what I've just done. So I just washed it and I'm going to place in the basket, the crisper plate at the bottom of the basket, just like so, and then place in the microwave. Sorry, did I say microwave? In the air fryer, and plug it in. And once you plug it in, it beeps, and this is what the screen looks like. And that's the chicken, fries, frozen steak, seafood, veggies and bacon button control. That's where you select the type of food you want to cook in this air fryer. That's the temperature and the timer. We have the preheat, keep warm, shake and start button. So we are going to see how this thing works. You just press it down, the power button, press the preheat button and press start. Now we are doing a test run because that's what it says on the manual. Once you turn it on, it will show you a 205 degrees at 4 minutes. You just press the preheat button and it will start preheating. Once the preheating is done, it will beep. But in the meantime, we are going to start peeling and cutting the yam. Now, for safety purposes, you must place the air fryer on a stable, leveled, heat resistant surface. please, just like I did here, you can see mine is not close to the wall, so please play safe. So now that the air fryer is done preheating, I'm just going to take off the basket and set aside. And here is my remaining yam. I'm going to be storing that in my freezer for later use. I didn't use all the yam, I'm just making use of half of it because this is my first time of trying out this air fryer. So I'm just, trying not to overfill the basket. And the squirrel or what, I don't even know what to call that inside the air fryer, that's what circulates heat to your food. Now I just transferred the yam into a bowl and I'm going to be drizzling some oil and some salt. Those are the two ingredients I'll be using to fry this yam. Really, you don't need any ingredient for fried yam, just oil and salt and you're good to go. And you guys saw I added just a tiny bit of oil, and it's nothing compared to deep fried yam or deep frying oil. Like, that's a lot, but with this air fryer you don't need too much oil. Once the basket is placed in the air fryer, press the fries button, then set the temperature to 195 degrees, timer for 25 minutes, press the shake button and hit the start button as well and let it fry. Now you can hear the sound. It doesn't make a lot of sound just because I'm using a microphone on my camera. The microphone is too sensitive and so it would pick up a lot more sound than what you just heard now. And this is the manual. On page 12 it says French fries fry for 195 degrees for 25 minutes, but mine fried for I think at around 14 minutes. It started beeping, so I had to go check on it. Just press the power button and take out the basket, then give it a shake, but not with all your muscles, just give it a gentle shake and you are all done. My yam was done at this point, so we are going to be testing it out and see the difference, the difference between deep fried and the air fried yam. So here is what the yam looks like on the inside. It was thoroughly and properly cooked. Like, as soon as I threw it in my mouth, I was blown away, you guys. It was just awesome, so amazing. The taste was just as the deep fried one. You can't even tell the difference. If I don't tell you that I've air fried the yam, you can't be able to tell. Like, that was so amazing. So I'm just going to transfer everything on my plate and look at that fried yam, you guys. Looking so delicious and so appetizing. You can use this to drink custard. You can even eat it as it is, like we finished everything. You will see my family enjoying it. Just keep watching. So this is some leftover fries. I'm going to be frying it for 5 minutes in the air fryer. Just set the temperature to 175 degrees, as you can see here. And yeah, usually when we buy from McDonald's, sometimes we don't finish the fries, so we just put it in the fridge, and the next day you warm it in the microwave and it doesn't even feel right. It doesn't taste good as well. Like, it comes out mushy and soggy, and I don't like the feeling, so we find ourselves throwing it out sometimes, and it's not good. But with this air fryer, it was just as crunchy as newly bought. It was awesome. So this air fryer is a must, like a must have on your kitchen countertop. Now this is what the basket looks like after frying. Yeah, just let it cool down, wash it, rinse it, and throw it back in the air fryer.
So eji mayonnaise eriji.
Do that potato food.
I tried Benji na mayonnaise before. It's very good. Wow.
And that's it, guys. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this unboxing and reviewing of this COSORI Pro LE 4.7 liter air fryer. I had fun filming this video for you guys. Now, if you want to get this air fryer for your family, even for yourself, this Christmas as a gift, please click the link in the description box below to go get yours now. It's a must have. Thank you so much once again to COSORI for sending this product, and thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.
You as you dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?